Bitcoin just flashed this last signal. Is the bull run starting? Possibly the final dip on Bitcoin. The Elliott wave theory played out with this ABC correction. Now, if you don't know what the Elliott wave theory is, let me explain it quickly. Elliott wave theory tends to be 5 up, 3 down with an ABC correction. So for example, 1, 2, big leg up, 3, 4, 5. Generally that would be it done, but you can extend 6, 7. This would be the Elliott wave theory. So after you've had the usual 5 legs up, you would have an ABC correction down, which is where I believe we're at just now. So the ABC, A, B, C, this would be confirmed. This is confirmed. What we've got now is the complete V reversal, which is what I was talking about before in one of my last videos. Let me explain the Elliott wave theory quickly. Wave 2 never retraces more than 100% of wave 1. It can dip, but it cannot go below where wave 1 started. So for example, 1, 2, longest leg, 3, 4, 5. What it can't do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This would be inconclusive because it comes lower than wave 1. Okay. Wave 3 is never the shortest waves of 1, 3 and 5. It is usually the longest and strongest. Wave driven by high volume and excitement. Wave 4 never enters the price territory of wave 1. Wave 4's low must stay above wave's 1 high in the uptrend. Relative volume strength indicator. We're looking very strong. We've not had a big finish like we have in every other bull run. So this is a good indicator that we're still on the way up. Going over to the Cryptoverse, looking at the charts here, everything looks so promising. We've still not had the big finishes like you can see in the previous runs. So these are all really good indicators of where we are, where we can still expect to go. We've not had the run that we're all waiting on. Bitcoin's definitely, the crypto run definitely isn't over at this point. Bitcoin dominance, again, Bitcoin dominance means Bitcoin has the most money in it, so it's more dominant than any other coin on the market. So if you look at the bull run in 21, dominance was up 73%. Right now, 59%. It has been up 66, quite high. I mean, if you're looking at it that way, you could possibly say this was the dominance at its highest point, and now we're on the way down. I don't believe so. This was all affected by Donald Trump introducing the 100% tariffs on China. So looking at this, we're still holding strong. You know, I believe we're still holding strong. I had targets set for 102.98. I did believe we were going as low as that. Never played out. EMA starting to cross over on the 4-hour daily. So for you that don't know, the EMA is estimated moving average, 21-day and 34-day. And also the 200. 200 is the red one. So we're trending below that on the 4-hour. But if you switch to the daily, we are trending above it. The daily is key. This is the most important one. But if you go to the 4-hour, the EMAs, you can see them there, starting to cross. So this is another indicator that we're more than likely going back up. You can see here, back in September, the cross there, on our way back up, cross, on our way back up. So this is another indicator of where we might be going. Now, granted, this is on the 4-hour. You shouldn't really chart on 4-hour. You shouldn't really use it too much. But it's just another point of confidence to show that things are starting to turn around. So you had your chance to buy when we dipped. This was all a buying opportunity. You had your chance to top up your bags. If you missed it, if you had the fear of missing out, I understand. I think everyone gets it. So, Bitcoin dominance. Well, we already touched on that. We touched on the dominance of Bitcoin. The total market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, on the 4 hour, go back to the daily. So, no, we're not looking too good. We can still do, we're going up a bit. Where are we back? In 21. So in 21, we were 1.14 trillion. So we're still a wee bit away from what we were in 21. Although we have been there, we should still expect to go higher. Now, coming to have a look at the crypto bubbles. Crypto bubbles are brilliant. I really like them. It makes you feel a bit more positive when things aren't looking that good. Come over to crypto bubbles. It's a green day. It's always nice to see a green day. Looking at the weekly, it's not so good. Change for the weekly. Yeah, not so good when everything's red, but today's green. Nice day to open your portfolio, see where you're at, see how it's looking, see how much of a pump you've got. You know, with the fear and greed index, 34 today. So we're up a wee bit from yesterday. It's a green day. Everyone feels a bit more positive. Green day is a wee bit less fear. Last month was up at 49. It's never really been a high month for some time now, actually. So the whole market doesn't believe that we've had the big finish, or it would be right up. The historical values would be right up. Yes, I think that's about it. I've touched on what I wanted to touch on. Bitcoin's on its way, just a matter of time. We're getting the V reversal that we were talking about before. So yes, let's go. Until next time.